Hey there, my name is Adeola James. I'm here again. Yes, yes. Yeah, I like to goof around, so join me. Laughter is food to the soul. Yeah? I'd like you to, before we go any further, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and lastly, I plead that you share me with others. Yes? I'm sure you've subscribed as we're speaking right now. I hope you enjoyed the meditation that I created for you around wealth, and I hope that you've been listening to it every night or as many times as possible. Today, I'm going to be doing another meditation. Now, this is around something that everybody is talking about right now, which is weight loss. I don't call it weight loss, I call it weight release or weight shed, because loss, there's no positive emotion that comes with loss. It's always painful. Yes? And so that's why a lot of people are not losing weight, because they've lost too many things. Their body is saying, we're not going to add this weight to it. So maybe you want to change your vocabulary to shedding weight or releasing weight. I personally like releasing weight. So I'm going to do a meditation to help guide you to release the weight that you want to release and let go of and live the life of your dreams. Sit back and relax and listen.
Now I want you to relax, either sitting down or lying down with your hands not touching and with your feet not touching. I want you to relax and make sure that there's no one coming in or phone ringing or people screaming around you. I want you to be relaxed and calm. And as you sit down with your hands not touching and your feet not touching, I want you to close your eyes. And I want you to take a deep breath for me. Breathe in and breathe out. For the second time, I want you to breathe in and breathe out. And for the last time, breathe in, breathing peace, and breathe out any negativity or anxiety in your system, and relax. And as your eyes are closed, I want you to look down just a fraction, as though you're looking down a flight of stairs or a balcony. And you're going to pretend that flight of stairs, they're 10 steps, and it's taking you straight into this beautiful garden or a place of calm for you. And as I count down, you'll see your feet, feel your feet, and hear your feet tread each step beautifully and powerfully. And as you go down step 10, you can see your feet, feel your feet, and hear your feet treading each step as you go down step 9 and 8 and 7 as you go deeper. And you're going down step 6 and 5, and you're halfway down. And you're doing phenomenally well as you go down step 4 and 3, and you go deeper and deeper. And you go down step 2 and 1, and you go deeper, sink deeper, drift deeper. Now, as you drift into a different state of awareness, you have this awareness that you have a strong desire and a compelling, irresistible ability to become slimmer and leaner. Now, this desire and ability is becoming such a powerful, permanent, or all-pervasive part of you that it overrules forever any negative eating habits. And instead, it consistently and constantly motivates you to act in ways that cause you to shed excess weight, and you become thinner, fitter, and healthier for good. And as you go deeper, your subconscious mind is reminding you and remembering right now that you were born with a perfect body and a perfect attitude to food. As a baby, you were so in tune with your body that you knew when to eat and when to stop eating. You were able to reactivate and reclaim that ability through the power and direction of your inner mind right now. Your subconscious mind is recreating, reactivating, and regenerating in you that same perfect attitude to food that you were born with. And that still exists inside you. It hasn't gone anywhere. Now, while your subconscious mind remembers everything you need to remember to allow you have a normal weight, your conscious mind is letting go of any bad habits. They are becoming erased, eradicated, eliminated, and gone. They are in your past and all behind you right now. You remember to eat only when you're hungry, and you eat slowly. And then you forget about food for hours afterwards. You and your body are working together as a perfect team. You're in tune with your body. You respond to your body by eating healthy, nutritious foods that allow you become thinner, healthier, lighter. You are so aware that you have a right to be slim. You have a drive and commitment to be slim. And daily you feel motivated and conditioned to eat differently, to feel differently about food. And you see food as fuel for your body. Not only what you want to eat, but that your body needs to use it also to the best capacity that it can. And so now you only want to eat healthy, natural, fresh food. You enjoy exercising and you always fit it into your schedule no matter what. You are easily and happily choosing to be thinner and loving the process. You are freeing yourself forever from destructive, self-defeating eating habits. For there is no room in your mind or body and no room in your life for overeating anymore. From now on, you only eat what you need to eat and what will nourish your body beautifully. You eat differently and you eat healthy and you become lighter, having more energy, exercising willingly and loving the feeling of fitting into smaller clothes and feeling such a sense of accomplishment and achievement. And so right now you see yourself in your ideal weight. What size would that be? Where are the stores that you would like to go to and shop from that you're unable to do right now? See yourself in those stores wearing exactly what you would love to eat. And your mind is opening up right now and you're seeing yourself exact size, exact weight, exact BMI, and you're seeing the clothes that you would love to wear. And right now you're deciding to change your weight and you easily take all the action that makes this happen. For you are erasing, eliminating, and eradicating poor eating habits forever as you find yourself easily and willingly refusing to eat the type and amount of food that will harm your body. You love your body, and so you want to take care of it. And you treat it well and you treat it with respect and you choose healthy food. And you eat less food automatically and you love leaving food on your plate, refusing the wrong type of food. For right now you feel so powerful and you feel happy and you welcome and enjoy good restrictions and you delight in leaving food and throwing it away if you have to. And so you see yourself in your ideal weight. Your strongest desire is to choose to be thinner, lighter, and healthier. And you celebrate how beautiful you look, how your skin radiates and your hair grows soft and lush, how your nails are and people are admiring you and seeing you right now, telling you how beautiful you look and asking you, What did you do to yourself? Why do you look so beautiful? And you tell them that you are now and forever a selective and moderate eater, and your old eating habits are fading away forever and have faded away forever, and you are living free to eat in a healthy way, and you look slimmer and attractive and you're happier. And you tell people how your metabolic rate increased through the power and the direction of your mind. So right now, I want you to believe and imagine your metabolic rate working as perfectly as it did as you were a child. Your stomach is shrinking. Your stomach is inflated like a balloon. And I want you to imagine letting the air out of your stomach just as though it was coming out from your belly button. And as you watch your stomach shrink, it becomes completely flat. Your stomach insides continue to shrink. I want you to squeeze your fist right now and repeat to yourself, my stomach is the size of my fist. My stomach is the size of my fist. My stomach is the size of my fist. And you notice your stomach shrinking is becoming smaller now. And you love the way you look. You love the way people say how beautiful you are. And you are looking better and better every day. Now I want you to take a minute and imagine how good that feels. The euphoric and amazing feeling that you get by choosing to be slim and doing everything that you need to do to make sure that you stay slim forever. And these thoughts and feelings are permanent and powerfully pervasive, and it remains with you forever. And so I'm going to count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you come out of this recording. And if you're listening to this recording at night, you go straight into the most healing and beautiful sleep ever. Otherwise, if you're listening to this recording in daytime, you're awake, your eyes are open, feeling wonderful, feeling amazing, and feeling free. And cheers to your beautiful body. I celebrate you.